I'm Maria Mikroni and I'm a Cluster 5 National Contact Point for Horizon Europe at PRAXI Network, the leading technology transfer and innovation support organization in Greece. This is the first out of a number of videos where we will be presenting you special researchers from the Greek R&I ecosystem and the areas of energy, climate and transport. This video, we have the pleasure to host a representative from the business and research sectors. This is George Skevis, who is the General Manager at CLEOS. Dr. George Skevis will tell us more about himself, but also his experience in the R&I programs and the challenges that, in his opinion, the Greek researchers face nowadays.
Thank you very much, and it's also an honor for me to be here, and I'm very happy to be part of this effort. So, let's start from the beginning. I'm a mechanical engineer by training, although essentially what I'm doing is in the limit between mechanical and chemical engineering. I have a PhD many years ago from Imperial College London on combustion chemistry. So I started as an expert in combustion of conventional fuels. And through the years, I've moved from being a combustion chemist to working more on the mitigation of the effects of combustion byproducts. And recently, I mean the last 7 or 8 years, into carbon capture and utilization. For almost a decade, I was a researcher in CERT. So after almost 10 years in CERT, I set up, with the support of 2 leading Greek ship owners, a company. It's called CLEOS. And this is, I would say, a private R&D. And this is the first innovative aspect. And it's very important. I think I'm very lucky to be part of this for 2 reasons. First of all, that is rather by far the most important reason is that bringing together the private sector and the research sector. And I think this is one of the pillars, or the main pillar, for the success of research, innovation, and its social impact. And of course, entrepreneurial. So what is the company doing? The company is, first of all, a very small company. It's already 1 year. It started in September 22 and essentially started working in the beginning of 23. So what we do, we evaluate, we assess, rather the goal of the company is the decarbonization of the fleet. Provide solutions that are state-of-the-art, innovative, or less innovative, but definitely that will lead to the decarbonization of the industry. So develop the solutions and then probably exploit them commercially. So let me give you a perspective. Several years ago, back in 2018-19, we started in CERT, myself and my colleagues, instead of working on an innovative solution for carbon capture and carbon capture, storage and utilization. Probably you know what this is. This is how to remove CO2 from exhaust gases from heavily polluting industries and either store it or turn it into a useful product. So we had in CERT, my colleagues had, and I was just coordinating, a very smart idea on how to do this in a different way, but in a way that would be more compact, more flexible, would be ideal for integration into a small, not a small vessel, but into the limited volume of a vessel. So we obtained funding from a European project, not for Horizon. It was an aeronet, but doesn't matter. It was still a European project. This was completely successfully a couple of years ago, a year ago. And the natural continuation was for this to be developed further, scaling up. So the second stage is we took this idea and I'm coordinating as CLEOS a new research project, applied research project at a much higher TRL and scaled up with SURF and also with the participation of the Marine Engineering Department of NTUA, the National Technical University of Athens, with the goal to build a pilot, a prototype of this technology that can be applied, first of all, in real engines. Now, we have a working plan for this, which spans the next 3 years. And so essentially what we're hoping for is in a time span of something like 6 to 7 years after the initial idea conception, to have a commercial product that will be integrated into a state-of-the-art. It is very important. Carbon capture is a very promising solution without disrupting too much the operation of the key industries. Sometimes it feels like an oxymoron, right? Greece, we've been saying also in this discussion that how the Greek ecosystem is an excellent one. SURF is a leading European institution, etc. And supposedly a widening is for less performing countries. So how does Greece fit into this landscape, and how are the Greek researchers are going to take most advantage of it? Greece has an excellent technical personnel, scientists, engineers, social engineers, economists, etc. And also has started developing a very good and state-of-the-art infrastructure. I'm speaking mostly from my experience in SURF, but I think this is also for all the leading Greek research centers. What is lacking and what is lagging behind are mainly the methodology of research, the research ecosystem, how to organize, and this is a constant problem in the Greek society, with the organization of research from all levels, from administration, whatever, logistics, accounts, everything. It's also a way of how to promote this research, how to network properly with other institutions across Europe. We do this, but we need a more systematic way of doing it. And also, very importantly, to open up new areas of research. So to make this jump, to move in the top tier of European research countries, you need not only good personnel, good science engineers, and good infrastructure. You need procedures. You need a system that supports research and can talk also to the industry, can talk to other institutions, etc. So I think this is the major reason, the main aspect of widening program that will benefit Greece the most.